Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly remarkable to share with you. It is a complete game changer. We delve into the world of cutting-edge AI, share our own creative explorations, and we have heard some fascinating insights about Dall-E. And now, we've figured out how anyone can access Dall-E 3, and the best part, it is entirely free. Thanks to Bing Image Creator, this platform previously hosted an upgraded version of Dall-E, often referred to us as Dall-E 2.5. Without a doubt, Dall-E 3 stands as the most mind-blowing AI image generator ever created. Every single image it produces surpasses anything I have ever seen from other AI generators. But first, let us talk about how you can gain free access to Dall-E 3 right now. Now, it is not widely available to everyone just yet. Here is how we managed to work around that limitation. Start by logging into Bing Image Creator using your Microsoft account. If you are unfamiliar with the process, I have a brief video titled How to Get Started with Bing Image Creator that guides you through creating an account and getting started. Now, let us dive into the incredible capabilities of Dall-E 3. This AI is an absolute powerhouse. I should mention that the Dall-E 3 your access through Bing Image Creator likely pings the Dall-E 3 API that OpenAI plans to release, so it might not be exactly the same as what you find in ChatGPT. Alright, let us start with the fun prompt. 3D rendering of an adorable dog character enjoying cake on a beach, accompanied by a speech bubble that says, "Don't worry, it's not chocolate." Let's hit create. Wow, this is unbelievably cute, isn't it? The font, the faithful rendering of the details I described, all here. And I genuinely believe that even Midjourney can't match this level of output. What do you think? Share your thoughts below on whether Midjourney or other AI image generators can produce image like this. The image resolution is also impressive. I can confidently say that this AI can handle just about anything. It effortlessly generates famous characters, displays immense power, and, remarkably, it is quite versatile. Let us try a simple photography prompt, an area where Midjourney excels and is almost unbeatable. For instance, I will type in close-up photo of a dog in a marine uniform. A stock photo? Look at that, it is still adorable and maintains a high resolution. Now, how about a two-word prompt? Other AI image generators often require precise prompts to achieve quality results. So, I will input dog meme. It is incredibly cute and captures that meme vibe with written text. Can other image generators match this? Correct me if I am mistaken. The possibilities are endless, and I could showcase countless more impressive creations. But for now, I will share a selection of the image we have generated. Dall-E 3 harbors untapped potential like no other image generation model we have encountered. And the best part is, we can all access it for free. It is truly mind-boggling. And there you have it, a fantastic conclusion to our exploration today. If you're eager to remain well-informed about the latest happenings in the world of artificial intelligence, encompassing exciting developments such as Dall-E 3, the groundbreaking Google Bard, the ever-evolving ChatGPT, and a plethora of other captivating innovations, then you have landed on the ideal channel. We are committed to delivering a steady stream of insightful content that will keep you abreast of the cutting-edge advancements in AI technology. To ensure you never miss a beat, we kindly invite you to take a moment and click on that subscribe button, ensuring you never miss out on our daily video uploads, keeping you well informed and engaged with the cutting-edge happenings in the world of AI. I hope this video provided valuable insights for you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.